Hello everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of the WordPress Tip of the Day. In this episode I'm going to show you a very easy way to add banner ads into the sidebar of your website, even if you know absolutely nothing about HTML, even if you don't already have the embed code for an image. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is log into the WordPress dashboard, which, as you know, you simply add wp-admin to the end of the URL where you have WordPress installed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Posts and then Add New. Now, I told you I was going to show you an easy way to add a banner ad to the sidebar without having to know HTML, and that's where the post editor actually comes in. In case you weren't aware, the post editor actually has two tabs, Visual and HTML. And when we're in visual mode, that allows us to actually upload images such as a banner ad. I'm going to browse to a file that I have on my desktop, which is a banner ad. WordPress is going to upload my great banner ad, and where it says link URL, I'm going to actually type in the URL that I want this banner ad to be linked to, and I'm going to link it to wp-tipoftheday.com, and I'm going to set the alignment to none, make sure that I'm showing the full size image. Then I'm going to click on Insert into Post. Now what I've just done is I've used the WordPress post editor to generate the HTML code that I'm going to copy and paste into a text widget. Now, I didn't actually write a single line of HTML code. All I've used are the built-in WordPress tools to actually upload my image and put it into a post. But I'm not actually going to publish the post. I'm simply using the post editor to give me the HTML code that I need. So what I just did is I clicked on the HTML tab, and I'm going to grab all of that HTML code, highlight it, and press Control-C on my keyboard to copy the code. Now I'm going to go over to my widgets. In the WordPress dashboard, you're going to click Appearance and then Widgets, and I'm simply going to drag a new text widget into the sidebar of my website. I'm going to put it up here at the very top, and as soon as I drop it into place, it pops open and I can actually paste in the HTML code that I copied earlier. I'm going to click on Save, close my text widget. My sidebar widgets are automatically saved by WordPress. Click on Visit Site, and voila, in the right hand sidebar at the very top of the website, I should now see that 125 by 125 banner ad that I just inserted. And sure enough, here it is sitting there nice and neat in my sidebar. I put it in there without knowing a single lick of HTML. I didn't already have the banner ad code to copy and paste from. I simply uploaded the image that I wanted to use, put in the link that I wanted it to go to, copied and pasted the HTML code from the post editor into a text widget. Notice that I never actually published that post, and it's not necessary to publish the post. All you're doing is using the WordPress post editor, the visual what you see is what you get editor, to generate the HTML code that you need to put your banner ad in place. And this works whether you're doing banner ads or any other kind of formatting where you don't actually know the HTML code. Just use the WordPress post editor in visual mode, format everything the way you want, switch over to HTML mode, copy the code, and then paste it into a text widget. So there you have it, the very first WordPress tip of the day. Thanks so much for joining us. For more tips, tricks, and training on WordPress, be sure to visit wp-tipoftheday.com.